Are you looking to turn your passion for sharing content into real income with Telegram? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create your own Telegram channel, set it up for success, and tap into Telegram's new monetization features. By the end, you'll know how to start earning money from your Telegram channel and understand the steps involved, even if you're just getting started. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll need to do is actually create your Telegram channel. When you open the Telegram app, just tap the New Channel option. Here you'll choose a name for your channel. This is more important than a lot of people realize. Pick something that matches your content and is easy for viewers to remember. Next, personalize your channel with your branding. That means uploading a profile picture, adding a description, and if you have a logo or other branded graphics, putting those front and center. These little details really help your channel stand out and signal to visitors that you're serious. Once your channel is live, it's time to learn how you'll make money. Head over to Telegram.org blog monetization for channels. This official Telegram page lays out the pathway for earning income through your channel. It can feel a bit technical at first glance, but take your time to read through the info. Essentially, Telegram now offers a way for channel owners to earn a share of advertising revenue, and you'll want to make sure you qualify and understand how it works. Here, how the rewards work. If your public channel reaches at least 1,000 subscribers, you're eligible to earn income. With that milestone, channel owners actually receive half of the revenue from ads shown in their channel. It's a powerful incentive to grow your audience and keep your content active and engaging. So as you can see, getting those first 1,000 subscribers isn't just a vanity metric, it's the key that unlocks monetization. When you've reached the subscriber threshold, you can now track how your channel is doing financially. Go into your channel settings, then open Statistics and tap Monetization. Here you'll see clear stats on your channel's earnings. Withdrawals for your rewards are handled via Fragment, and the great thing is there are no fees, you get the full amount. You can also choose to reinvest those earnings back into your business, like buying more Telegram ads, collectible usernames, or even funding premium giveaways to grow your community. Now you're probably wondering, how do these ads work? Telegram uses Ton-based ads, powered by the Ton blockchain and paid with Toncoins, Telegram's own cryptocurrency. What's cool is that anyone can promote their bot or their own channel, even on a small budget. So whether you want to run ads yourself or benefit from others advertising in your channel, the process is straightforward and open to everyone. Ton blockchain handles all the payments. It's fast, secure, and minimizes fees, so you spend less and keep more. To set up your own ad, log into the Telegram ad platform. You'll get full control, choosing exactly which channels your ad appears in, so your message reaches the right audience. And unlike other platforms, Telegram ads don't clutter the user experience. They only display in large public channels, never in private chats or your chat list. Plus, these ads aren't built off user data tracking. They're channel-based and help support content creators like you. And here's something nice for viewers. If anyone prefers ad-free browsing, subscribing to Telegram Premium removes ads completely. It's an added incentive, and Premium also unlocks dozens of extra features, including new business tools for creators. So setting up a Telegram channel for monetization is not just possible, it's right at your fingertips. Take your time with each step, focus on making your channel unique and valuable, and watch as your audience grows and your income begins to flow. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about setting up or monetizing your channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.